Today's Storehouse Storytime is brought to you by DreamEmpire Publishing, focused on stories that move, touch, and inspire. Friends, welcome to Storehouse Storytime. I'm Ronnie, and today's story is Noelle Bakes a Cake. This is written by Mikaela Wilson, illustrated by Pardeep Mahira. Live, laugh, and grow. Friends, let's get into it. Let's hear all about Noelle's cake baking experience. So Noelle enjoys doing special things for her family. Do you enjoy doing special things for your family? I certainly do. Noelle looks at the calendar. Well, tomorrow is Mom's birthday, she shouts. Dad, can we plan a special surprise for Mom? She asks. Yes, that sounds great, says Dad. Let's think of something fun. Maybe we can get her a unicorn, Noelle says, or an airplane, or maybe a cake as big as a house. Well, Dad laughs. How about a cake that's a bit smaller than a house? Okay, can I bake the cake? Noelle asked. Of course you can, Dad says. We can go to the store to buy all of the ingredients. He makes a list of everything they need. Who knows what goes in a cake? Sugar, flour, eggs, butter. All of these things are on Dad's list of ingredients to bake the cake. In the store, Noelle helps her dad find everything on the list. Then Noelle chooses pink frosting and rainbow sprinkles for the top of the cake. And as soon as they get home, Noelle puts on her apron and washes her hands, and she's ready to bake. First, we need to mix the ingredients in a bowl, Dad says. Can you measure the flour? Sure, exclaims Noelle. Noelle measures the flour and pours it into the mixing bowl. Now add the eggs, Dad says. Noelle carefully cracks the eggs and plops each one into the bowl. Noelle and her dad add the rest of the ingredients. Noelle stirs and stirs and stirs some more until the batter looks perfect. I think the batter is ready, Noelle shouts. Noelle picks up the bowl, turns around, and oh no, she drops the bowl on the floor. Noelle starts to cry. I ruined the cake, Noelle shrieks. I ruined Mom's birthday cake. Oh, she's super sad. And I understand. Noelle and her dad stare at the mess on the floor. I have an idea, says Dad. There's still a little batter left in the bowl. Noelle's dad pours the batter into a tiny pan and places it in the oven. Noelle is still sad. Dad sets the timer. Then he fixes Noelle her favorite snack to cheer her up. Ring, ring, the timer bell rings. Dad opens the oven and pulls out a perfect little cupcake. Noelle's eyes widen. It's a tiny cupcake, she shouts. How creative. They took a mess and made something super special. When the cupcake is cool, Noelle frosts it with the pink icing and adds sprinkles on top. Noelle's dad puts one candle in the middle of the cupcake. Just then, the door opens. Mom is home. Mom, I made a special birthday cake just for you, Noelle shouts. Noelle, her dad, and her brother sing the happy birthday song. Noelle's mom takes a big bite of her cupcake and its pretty pink frosting and rainbow sprinkles on top. It's delicious, says Mom. Thank you so much. I can tell it was baked with lots of love. Noelle smiled proudly. Noelle had so much fun baking today. She can't wait to bake for her family again with love, of course. What a super cool story, you guys. So sometimes things don't work out the way that we want them to, or even the way that we planned them to, but there's always a way to switch things up a little bit and make it just right. Super cool story, you guys. Thank you for an awesome Storehouse Story Time. Until next week, have a fantastic week.